in here. I have a baritone uke to show you today. This is kind of a close copy of one I built last year. The body is all Mastergrade Myrtle, and it's got all the things you want. It's got the curl, the color variations, the interesting patterns, and it all is book matched really well. It's a really nice set. And the fretboard, head plate, and bridge is also Myrtle. And we've got a salvage Douglas fir neck with a little stripe down the middle. And this instrument is tuned GCEA. And it is a good way to do a baritone. It takes a special set of strings I have to make. This customer also wanted the wider nut width, 1.5 inch nut. And so I think the bigger body doesn't necessarily make it louder than a tenor uke. It might be a little louder, but mainly it's just got more air behind all the notes. I just really like how it sounds. Pardon my left hand today. So it's got lots of sustain, but it's kind of a breathy sustain, which I really like. I believe this Myrtle is from Jason Bowerman down in Bend. He gave me a few pieces of this that were too small for his guitars, and it's certainly an amazing set to work with. So yeah, this one's got a K&K pickup in it, yeah, it sounds awesome, feels great. And it's a pleasure to try to make something that's a copy of something I've done. Although sometimes the pieces of wood I get, it's only enough for one instrument, so I can't always promise it's going to be exactly. But yep, this is number 895, ready for Tom. Cheers.